12th November, we witnessed one of the mega project that is getting launched by Emaar in India, that is Serenity Hills. We went to their launch event. उनके CEO के साथ मिले. We had a great discussion with him, and it was an amazing evening where the whole fraternity was there to witness this mega launch. Emaar India is getting big in India with this launch. It's approximately around 26 acres of development. I think this is going to be the biggest launch of Emaar in India in group housing segment till date. Serenity Hills is the name of the project. Sector 86 is the location. I met a lot of fraternity member and the senior members of the industry who have contributed a lot to this industry. हम लोगों ने share किया क्या market के अंदर चल रहा है, how the market is moving around. The main purpose of visiting here was obviously meeting the management and the team of Emaar and to understand what this project has to offer. So here we will try to break down the overall project offering for you and what this project brings to you as an investor and as an end user. The project is Serenity Hills. It's in sector 86. The location is superb. In fact, इसका जो tagline है that is come home to acres of nature. The reason of putting this tagline is that it's going to be around 26 acres of development, 1800 apartments in 26 acres, approximately around 69 apartments per acre. और इसमें जो central green ही होगा वो around 8 एकड़ का होगा. और developer is only creating the footprint on 13 acres of the total land parcel और 87 acres is going to be open areas. तो पहले लोकेशन को डिस्कस करते हैं. बैंक ऑन 75 मीटर रोड. इसके जो एक्सेस पॉइंट्स क्रिएट होंगे वो 3 होंगे. एक होगा 75 मीटर रोड से जिस रोड पे DLF अल्टीमा है और 2 एक्सेस पॉइंट्स क्रिएट होंगे 24 मीटर रोड से. 26 एकर्स की साइट, 13 टावर्स, अप्रोक्सीमेटली अराउंड 1800 अपार्टमेंट्स. अभी फेज 1 में द डेवलपर इज ओपनिंग अराउंड 7 टावर्स, सो दैट्स गोइंग टू हैव अराउंड 997 अपार्टमेंट्स. एंड जो टावर्स की हाइट होगी दैट इज गोइंग टू बी ग्राउंड प्लस 32 टू ग्राउंड प्लस 39. जो लेफ्ट पर टावर में डेवलपर इज गिविंग इज 3 पैसेंजर प्लस सर्विस. दैट मींस 4 लेफ्ट पर टावर. 4 टू अ कोर क्लस्टर होगा. दैट मींस 4 अपार्टमेंट्स टू अ फ्लोर. फ्लोर टू सीलिंग हाइट is going to be 3.15 meter. That is again one of the best in this segment. So with 3 BHK smaller size apartment, you are going to get 1 car parking included in the price. In 3 BHK large, you are going to get 2 car parking, and for a 4 BHK, you are going to get 3 car parking included in the price. Additional you can buy it. There are going to be 2 level of basement parking. Clubhouse के बारे में बात करें तो clubhouse is going to be more than 1 lakh square feet. Now coming on to the sizes. तो जैसे मैं आपको बता रहा था, there is going to be 8 acres of central greens. It's going to be huge central greens that particular project has to offer. More than 20 acres of landscaped open space. तो सिर्फ 13 एकड़ का ground coverage होगा for construction and rest of the area is going to be used for open spaces plus the landscape areas. There are going to be a lot of water elements created within this community. तो आपको बहुत सारी water bodies मिलेंगी. 1 लाख स्क्वायर फीट से ज्यादा का आपका क्लब हाउस के amenities होंगी. जैसे IGBC Platinum pre-certified development. तो ये जो certification है, this is a expensive certification but the developer is going for it. More than 80% of the total units are going to face towards the central greens. या तो वो सेंट्रल ग्रीन्स को फेस करेंगे या वो कॉर्नर यूनिट्स होंगे. दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट इज नॉट गोइंग टू हैव एनी EWS विद इन इट. दैट इज अगेन अ वेरी पॉजिटिव साइड ऑफ इट. अब मैं इसके मास्टर प्लान में आता हूं. तो मास्टर प्लान को 2 सेक्शंस के अंदर डिवाइड किया हुआ है, फेज 1 एंड फेज 2. फेज 1 के अंदर अगर आप देखेंगे राइट साइड के ये जो टावर्स हैं A B C D E F G, these are going to get opened. These are 7 towers but the developer is opening around 997 apartments. अब अगर हम इसकी एंट्री के बारे में बात करते हैं तो गेट 1 is going to be the prime entry to this project, that is from the 75 meter, and the other 2 entries are going to be from gate 2 and gate 3, that is a 24 meter road. Now the central green is going to be 8 acres. और आप ये water bodies भी देख सकते हैं जो phase 2 के अंदर दिखाई गई हैं जो develop होनी है. 21 number, this is going to be the clubhouse. Now when we see the compass below, you will see majority of the units are either facing towards east or west or south. So majority of the balconies are going to face towards east, west or south. So आपके घर में throughout the day sunlight रहेगी और अच्छी ventilation रहेगी. अगर मैं specifications के बारे में बात करूं, so it's going to be marble flooring in living and dining. There's going to be a laminated wooden flooring in all the bedrooms. Modular kitchen with chimney and hob that is going to be given in the kitchen. The washrooms are going to be fully done up. There's going to be a VRV air conditioning. और अब मैं unit plans पे अगर आता हूँ तो ये जो 4 BHKs हैं, all the 4 BHKs are overlooking the central greens. There is a stretched balcony connecting multiple rooms, enhancing living spaces. These are 3 side open layouts, ensuring ample natural light and cross ventilation. और अगर आप देखेंगे units ऐसी इस तरह प्लान करा गया है कि आपको पूरी प्राइवेसी मिले. They don't look to each other. Now when we come down to the amenities, these are the sports amenities: squash court, table tennis court, badminton court, snooker, pool, billiards, tennis court, pickleball, cricket pitch, multi-purpose court, jogging and cycling track, and the swimming pool. When we come on to the fitness center, there is going to be gym, aerobics, multi-purpose studio, juice bar, health and hygiene, the salon facilities, treatment and massage rooms. There is a separate kid zone, and when we talk about entertainment, there is going to be a mini theater, ballroom, banquet with pre-function area, cigar room, and men's lounge. In fact, there are going to be guest rooms within the clubhouse. अगर आपके कोई फैमिली फ्रेंड्स रहने आते हैं, it would be very easy कि आप आप उनको अपनी सोसाइटी में ठहरा सकते हैं क्लब हाउस के गेस्ट रूम्स। देयर इज गोइंग टू बी अ मल्टी cuisine restaurant with bar lounge and cafe, and the business hub is going to have library, meeting rooms and the work pods. Now coming on to the sizes, for the 3 BHK smaller, that is going to be 1750 square feet size. The 3 BHK large is going to be somewhere around 2200 square feet, and the 4 BHK is going to be around 3100 square feet. So this is majorly the breakdown of this project. Now coming on to the pricing, the price for the smaller 3 BHK starts from 2.98 crores, the 3 BHK large starts from 3.87 crores, and the 4 BHK starts from 5.28 crores. Now when we come on to the payment plan, so in 180 days you have to pay 30%, और next 18 महीने तक कोई पेमेंट नहीं आती है। फिर उसके बाद माइलस्टोन्स के साथ लिंक हो जाती है पेमेंट। यू टेक इट एवरी ईयर, यू विल हैव टू पे 20% ऑफ द टोटल प्रॉपर्टी वैल्यू। तो इसको इस तरह एक्सप्लेन किया गया है। इन 2025 आप देंगे 9.5%, 2026 में आप देंगे 20%, 2027 में 20%, 2028 में 20%, 2029 में 20% और लास्ट 2030 जब पोजेशन होगी 10%। सो द पेमेंट प्लान इज स्ट्रेच्ड आउट ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ 4 years. Now this is the process for the EOI. 50,000 is the EOI amount. The online registration has to be done for it. Unit allocation is going to be first come first serve basis, and the booking amount is 10 lakh rupees. So this is majorly about Emaar Serenity Hills Sector 86, the new launch from Emaar, which is the biggest launch till date by Emaar in India in a group housing sector. So if you want to understand about it further, you can connect with us. We can arrange a personalized review of this particular project. And to just let you know about my profile, I, Saurabh Duggal, with the experience of almost 20 years in real estate and have worked with a lot of developers at a leadership level. You can see my LinkedIn profile on the screen. You can in fact visit my LinkedIn profile also. I understand the market. I have seen the bull and the bear run of the real estate market over the last 20 years. So we might be a right consultant advisor to you in your home buy.